Morning, morning.
Sir, thank you for your time. When you mentioned na you want to consider, sir, Nuvali, what's going on in your mind? Kaya tumitingin ka, sir, outside of
Yeah.
Metro Manila. And Nuvali is one of your options, Sir Bruce. Tama po, sir, yung pagkakasummarize ko po.
Yeah.
Ano yung mga expectations mo, sir, na sa investment mo, sir, kapag nakapag-invest ka po?
So one of the things I look for is actually population growth.
Makikita natin dito, sir, that the growth rate is 2.49 compared to the nation's average of only, ilan, sir, 1.5%. So it's
Well, it's
growing.
pretty bad now also with the fertility rate really low.
Yeah, sir, isa rin yun, sir. It's just about the fertility, sir. Alam mo, sir, natutunan ko, it's about migration eh. Sir, na qualities ng mga nagmamigrate. These are high net worth individuals and families, sir. Lilipat sila, ang ganda ng bahay nila, sir, sa Manila, near Ateneo and stuff.
Yeah.
Pero they transfer
I know
because
very
of the quality of life.